Hello friends, welcome to Abhi Anvi Tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to pin the other visuals on the map. So I want to show some other visuals on the map like a table or pie chart. Let's do how to do it. So select a map here. Okay, I have loaded a standard sales data of United States of America. So select a state here. Okay, then I'll get the map here. So on this map, I want to show some table and pie chart. Okay. So let's say I am selecting a table here. Okay. Say category and sales. Okay. So I want to place this on the visual here. Okay. Then I will come here and I will select a pie chart here. Okay. So let's say here some region in the legend and sales in the values. So this pie chart also I want to show on the map. Okay, like this. Okay, guys. So if I select this, these are going off, right? So what to do? Go to view selection. Okay, view selection, right? So when we have to ensure that bottom layer is the state. Okay, on the top of state map we have table and pie chart. That's why they are visible. If I move the state to the top, okay, let's see what happens. Then table is not visible. If we move state again, one more step top, then pie chart also not visible. That's why we have to go to view selection and always ensure that state map, okay, map is in the bottom layer, okay, so that other visuals are visible. Okay, guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhi Anvi Tutorials for more such amazing Power BI tax Power Query videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.